Hello children, I am Miss Priya. Class UKG, Week 7, 16th to 20th August 2021. This week's subject is literacy skills and the topics ending sounds, rhyming words, phonic drill and sight words. Day 1. Ending sounds. Children, tell me, what is this? Yes, it's a bed. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Now tell me, what do you see here? Yes, kid. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Now tell me, what picture do you see here? Yes, rod. R-O-D, rod. Now close your eyes. Ma'am will read the word. In each word, what's the ending sound? You have to tell me, okay? Bed, kid, rod. Now open your eyes. Now tell me, children, what's the ending sound that you hear? Yes, D, isn't it? Bed, kid, rod. Very good. Children, what picture do you see here? Yes, it's a box. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, fox. Ox, fox. F-O-X, fox. Tell me, what is this? Very good. Ox, ox, ox. Now children, come on, close your eyes. Now ma'am will read the word. You have to tell me what is the ending sound that you hear. Okay. Box, fox, ox. Now come on, open your eyes. Now tell me, what is the ending sound that you hear? Yes, ox. Very good. Ending sounds. Children, tell me, what picture do you see here? Yes, it is pan. P-A-N, pan. What's the ending sound? N. Very good. Tell me, what is this? Ten. T-E-N. Ten. What's the ending sound that you hear? Yes, N. Very good. Now tell me, what is this? Tin. Very good. T-E-N. Tin. What's the ending sound that you hear? N. Very good. Now tell me, what picture do you see here? Yes, tap. T-A-P. Tap. What's the ending sound? P. Very good. What is this? Yes, top. T-O-P. Top. Now you tell me, what's the ending sound? P. Very good. What is this? Cup. K-A-P. Cup. What's the ending sound that you hear? P. Very good. Come to the next picture. Tell me, what picture is this? Yes, bag. B-A-G. Bag. What's the ending sound that you hear? G. Very good. What do you see here? Yes, leg. L-E-G. Leg. Tell me the ending sound. Yes, G. Very good. Now tell me, what do you see here? Fig. F-E-G. Fig. Tell me the ending sound. Yes, G. Very good. Ending sounds. Fill, F-I-L-L, fill. In, I-N-N. The, T-H-E, the. Blanks, B-L-A-N-K-S, blanks. With, W-I-T-H, with. The, T-H-E, the. Correct, C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct. ending, E-N-D-I-N-G, ending, sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound, letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter. Children, you're going to fill in the blanks with the correct ending sound, letter. Okay, tell me what picture is this? Yes, it's a mat. Repeat again, mat. M-A-T. What's the ending sound that you hear? T. What says T? Yes, T sounds T. So come on, write T. M-A-T. Mat. Yes. Now tell me what is this? Yes, can. K-A-N. What's the ending sound that you hear? N. Yes. What says N? Very good. N sounds N. So write N. K-A-N. Can. Now tell me what is this? Yes, it's a map. M-A-P. What's the ending sound that you hear? P. What says P? Yes, P sounds P. M-A-P. Map. Very good. Now tell me what is this? Yes, jam. J-A-M. What's the ending sound that you hear? What says M. Very good. M sounds J-A-M. Jam. Dear parents, kindly assist your child to complete page 14 from the phonic reader. Day 2. Rhyming words. R-H-Y-M-I-N-G. Rhyming words. W-O-R-D-S. Words. Yes. Children, tell me what is this? Yes, it's a frog. R-O-G. Frog. What is this? Frog. Tell me what you see here. Very good. Log. L-O-G. Log. Come on, repeat. Frog. Log. Again. Frog. Log. Yes, children. The words that make same ending sounds are called as rhyming words. Can you listen again? Frog. Log. Can you hear the same ending sound? Yes, that is called rhyming words. Children, tell me what is this? Yes, it's a top. T-O-P. Top. T-O-P. Top. What is this? Yes, mop. M-O-P. Mop. Top. Mop. Top. Mop. What are the same ending sound that you hear? Op. Isn't it? Op. Top. Mop. Very good. The words that make same ending sound are called rhyming words. Very good. Dear parents, kindly assist your child to complete page 30 and 31 from the Literacy Skills Workbook. Day 3. Children, open your LS workbook, page number 4 to 42. Ready? Yes. Phonic drill. Write the words in the right column. Children, there are few words given here. You need to see these words and write whether it is A sound words or E sound words or I sound words and write it in the column given here. Okay, what is the first word? Yes, it is pin. P-I-N. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. It is I sound word, so you have to write it here. Come on, write pin. P-I-N. Pin. Yes. Once you finish writing, put a small tick mark next to the word. Okay, it means that you have finished that word. Yes. Now come to the next word. What is the next word? Yes, man. Man. It is a sound word. So it is written here. You need not write. Okay, just put a tick mark next to the word. Next, what's the next word? Yes, net. Net. N-E-T, net. It is E sound word. E sound word is here. N-E-T is written already, net. So you can just write a small tick mark. Very good. Next, what's the next word? Yes, hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. It is A sound words. So you're going to write here. Come on, write H-A-T, hat. Once you finished, what you have to do? Yes, you have to put a tick mark. Very good. What's the next word? Hen. H-E-N, hen. It is E sound words. You have to write it here. So come on everybody, write H-E-N, hen. Once you finish writing, you're supposed to put a tick mark. Very good. Dear parents, kindly assist your child to complete page 42 and 43 from Literacy Skills Workbook. Day 4. Children, open your LS workbook page number 4848. Rhyming words. Write a word which rhymes with each of the following words. Now tell me, what word is this? Yes, it's a wall. Tell me, wall. The rhyming word for wall is ball. Wall, ball. Can you hear the same ending sound? Yes. Wall, ball. Very good. Next, what is this? Map. 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 The rhyming word for map is cap. Map, cap. Can you hear the same sound? Yes. So it is rhyming words. Map, cap. Children, you have to write the remaining rhyming words. Okay. Dear parents, kindly assist your child to complete page 48 from the Literacy Skills Workbook. Day 5. Sight words. Sight words. What are sight words? Sight words are the most frequently or commonly used words in our vocabulary. Sight words are also called as high frequency words as they constitute about 75% of the words in the print materials. Why are these words called sight words? Most of the sight words do not follow the phonic rules, which means that we have to read the sight words without using phonics. Example, the, was, etc. Students have to be able to recognize these words on sight, which can be achieved by memorizing the sight words. Once the child is good at recognizing the sight words, he or she will be able to read print material with very little effort. Sight words. Children, come on, let's learn the sight words. But, B-U-T, but. Big, B-I-G, big. Can, C-A-N, can. Day, D-A-Y, day. Did, D-I-D, did. Come on, read again. But, big, can, they, did. Very good. Children, let's use the sight words which we have learned now and frame a sentence. The dog said, I will get you, but the hen ran away. We have used but in the sentence. Next, I see a big elephant. Big is the sight word that we have used for this sentence. I can read. Now children, tell me, where's the sight word in this? Yes, can. We have used can in the sentence. Okay. Next one. He gets up early every day. Now tell me, where's the sight word? Yes, it is here. We have used day. Very good. Next. Did you see him? Tell me, where is the sight word? Here. Did. We have used did in the sentence. Very good. Dear parents, kindly guide your child to learn and write the given sight words 2 times in the 4 lines notebook as shown in the picture. Thank you.